Taggy. Can you say Merry Christmas, Taggy? Merry Christmas. Alright guys, so our trip was canceled. We were supposed to leave tomorrow for Universal. I will put the details in the description box if you are interested in the details. I'm going to go over some of the things that I got that are different for Universal Studios or new. And if you don't know, in the past 2.5 years, my daughter's 3.5, we have gone to Disney World 8 times. So I have a couple of recent packing videos. So if you want to see what I pack for trips, you can check those out. I will link them below. And these are the things that I got specifically for Universal Studios. And hopefully we'll be going in January perhaps. So I'm going to put all this stuff aside, except for the Christmas masks. So these were kids' disposable Christmas mask, and I had one ready for the plane for the lanyard, with a lanyard, and it came in a couple designs, and these are great for her school, so we'll be using those. Unlike Disney, and I went over this in my trip announcement video, but unlike Disney, they do not allow backpacks on rides, so just fanny packs. I think everyone except for 2 rides, which they provide a locker for. So I found this backpack, and then also you have a ticket that you use. So I thought I would bring this so they could scan it, I think they could, through this as my wallet. Another thing is they have, it seems that they have more water rides. And if you don't know, I've never been to Universal, so this is just from my research, not from my experience. But they have a lot of water rides, so this would fit in there to keep my phone safe from water rides. And then I got this awesome Christmas pop socket. And then something else I wanted to point out, it actually was delayed. It was supposed to be here on Saturday. It's Monday, it's still not here. But it's a converter for her headphones. Because she is 3.5 right now and she's not doing very good. It's sitting still, sitting in restaurants. So instead of bringing the iPad into the parks, which I would have to leave under the stroller in a backpack, I just thought I would bring headphones and leave them in the backpack, and then I could use my phone in emergencies for keeping preschooler happy. Speaking of keeping preschool happy, we recently went out to dinner with her, a rare thing these days, and they had triangle non-roll-off table while you eat crayons. So I was like, oh, I need to find these. So I found them. So this was my, now this is going to go in my backpack just in general for entertainment for her. So triangle crayons, and then also these small little notebooks that are unlined for her to color in. I am so excited for this. This will not be wasted because we're actually going to Dutch Wonderland this weekend. So these are lights and jingle bells. I will put down below after I use it. Hopefully I remember if the jingles are annoying. But they do different sort of lights. So twinkle lights, in and out lights. I love these so much. I'm so excited. I'm actually going to put them on the stroller and see how they look. So I got some Christmas nail polish. This is a focus. It is Essie, which is a gel, and you don't need any sort of UV light or any special thing to take it off. And I just think it's a really pretty Christmas color. See how they go in and out? I love that. Something I've heard is really great for keeping healthy, especially during the holidays and traveling and Omicron, is zinc. And her dentist, because of the way like her back teeth have indentations or something, like, or the genetics of her teeth, he doesn't want her to eat like fruit roll-ups, gummies, nothing. So I had trouble finding vitamins that are not gummies, and this is one that I found, and she really loves it. It's like a little dropper of zinc. So as far as shoes, I got 3 new pairs of shoes. I wear compression stockings when I fly, and then I also just wear them in general in the morning for usually half a day to work out. And usually on school runs, I wear my big Uggs, and I didn't want to take my big Uggs on the trip. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get these, and I love them, and I've actually been working out in them in the past week. So really happy with those. And Landon loved my high top so much. I was like, okay, let me see if I can find you some. And look at these incredible things. First of all, they're adorable on her. And they zip all the way around, and they're just so easy for her to put on. So those are awesome. Crocs, I love Crocs for the Florida parks. If it rains, they're comfortable. I don't get any blisters, so I got a new pair. These are adorable for just lounging around in the hotel. So I've gotten these a couple years, and you have to get them early from Pottery Barn because they do sell out pretty quickly. And so I have planned not to do a Santa picture this year. Instead, you can schedule a picture with the Grinch. So, of course, that was my plan. So I have to find some way to get her in Santa somewhere. So this adorable outfit was for her. I always put biker shorts underneath, little skirts and stuff. Cindy Lou Who shirt for me, because originally it was going to be chilly and just got warmer and warmer. It was going to be 80 this week. We're getting snow here in Pennsylvania. This, I absolutely love this sweater. And I sized up on both of these because I was going to wear like leggings, so they were nice and oversized. This is just such an adorable sweater. All your sweaters are ugly, and I love like the striped sleeves. And then Define Naughty for Daddy. So that was going to be our Christmas picture. Wah, wah. So I wrapped it all around the front. This is our travel stroller. So cute. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take this stroller to... We have a Ganoush. I wonder if the Ganoush would fit here for a Dutch Wonderland. I mean, how adorable is that? I don't think it jingles too much. Just a little jingle. Oh, I love it. At 3.5, we hardly use the stroller unless it's like a park at Longwood. I put the battery pack here. I love it. Say thanks for watching, everyone. Can you give a meow? Taggy's a Christmas kitty. Where's your Christmas bow? Oh, there's your Christmas little bow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.